Like and subscribe below to get more products.
Where robots are a part of our daily lives. Not just building cars or doing chores, but protecting our homes and keeping us connected with our loved ones. At Avina, we've made this a reality. This is Aire, the flying robot for the home. By hiding its propulsion system inside its body, we created Aire specifically to work indoors and around people. With its sleek shape and fabric exterior, it fits perfectly in your home. We've made it safe enough to be around your kids, yet quiet enough not to bother you. Aire is safe and easy for anyone to fly. Its many cameras and advanced computer vision let it navigate anywhere in your home. Using the app interface, simply give it a general direction and it will automatically avoid any obstacles in its way. With its cloud connectivity, you can virtually visit your home from anywhere in the world. Aire can take immersive 360-degree photos showing you every detail of the room it's in. Aire can stream live video, and with the ability to fly anywhere, Aire lets you actively join in on family moments like never before. And with its video recording capability, you can relive those moments anytime. Aire doesn't just live in your smart home, it elevates it. With Alexa integration, Aire follows your voice commands. Hey Alexa, tell Aire to take a photo and post it to Facebook.
3, 2, 1, say cheese.
Aire can protect your home without compromising your privacy. While your existing products only notify you that something has happened, Aire lets you see exactly what's going on with no more blind spots. It gives you the ability to be there anytime, anywhere. Aire is the missing link for your smart home. So whether you're checking in on your loved ones or just your house, Aire is there every step of the way. Just imagine everything Aire will be able to do for you. Imagine a future with Aire today.